Education, training. It is absolutely essential. You do a lot of it. I know you do a lot of it because we do it with you. We've got to do more of it. We've got to make it more accessible for board members, more accessible, and on topics that are important to them. The reality is this, is that we expect nonprofit board members to serve with an understanding of the many different areas of nonprofit law that they're going to have to face, or nonprofit issues they have to face. They're simply not equipped. Many of them are not equipped to do it. You get a very sophisticated CEO, a very sophisticated CEO. The smart, boards in New York with the smartest people on them, right? You walk into that boardroom, for much of the meeting they're silent. Why? They're not comfortable. They're not aware of the issues because in their day jobs, they don't deal with issues of endowments or lobbying or political activities or fundraising. They don't deal with those issues.
I think you're going to start seeing significant or increasing interest in governance, the governance of nonprofit corporations, and the relationship between nonprofit boards and their auditors. There's going to be increasing emphasis being placed on the quality of communications, the level of board review of the financial audit, and whether or not boards are actively engaged in the audit process. The Attorney General Schneiderman, has introduced legislation that will, if enacted, improve the audit oversight process and would require that boards engage in certain baseline responsibilities, such as reviewing with the outside auditor the scope of the audit at the beginning of the process, but more importantly, at the end of the process, speaking with the outside auditor about what the auditor found, what were the material risks that were found, what's in the management letter, were there disagreements, the kinds of discussions that frequently take place in the public company context that well-governed boards are currently doing, but that would be engaged in by a broader number of nonprofits now.